Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, thanks for checking me out. So today guys, we have an awesome recipe. Of course, we have potato skins just in time for football season. So I love potatoes. One thing I like about them is that they are so versatile, and with this recipe you get the softness of like a baked potato, but you also get the crispiness of a french fry, and then of course you have the delicious toppings that just pull this recipe all together. So if you want to know how to get this crowd pleaser on your table, stay tuned for the recipe. Okay, so let's get started. So I have 6 russet potatoes that I have given a good wash to with a vegetable brush. It's good for scrubbing vegetables like potatoes and other things that have a lot of dirt on them. So you want to make sure and get all of the dirt off because of course we are eating the skin. So you want to make sure that they're nice and clean. So I've scrubbed them, rinsed them in cold water, and now I'm just drying them off. We're gonna put them in the oven at about 450 degrees for about 30 minutes or so. It'll depend on how large or small your potatoes are, but when you're able to stick a fork through it and it's, nice and soft in the middle, then they're ready. Once your potatoes are done cooking and they're nice and tender, you want to take them out of the oven and allow them to cool for a little bit, maybe about 30 minutes, just so they're cool enough so that you can work with them. And then you're just going to slice them lengthwise. And don't worry about those dark spots that are on the middle. That's just from the baking process. There's nothing wrong with the potato or anything. No one will even know. I've never seen anybody pick up a potato skin and look at the bottom, so it's fine. So we're just going to go ahead and get all the potatoes sliced up. And one thing I do like about this recipe is that it can be a make-ahead recipe. You don't have to do everything all at one time. Like you could bake your potatoes one day, put them in the refrigerator, and finish the process the next day. Now that our potatoes are sliced up, we are going to scoop out the middle. So it's up to you how much or how little potato you want to have left in there, but you want to just pretty much just leave like a shallow layer of potato. And then you're just going to repeat that process for all of the potatoes. So one thing I kind of struggle with is the guilt of scooping out the potatoes. I always plan to do something else with that inside of the potato and really never do. But I mean, there's a lot of different things that you can do with it. You can make like some kind of like baked potato salad. You could do maybe some hash browns or potato pancakes or something. I mean, there's lots of different things that you can do with it. And I always put it in the refrigerator and plan to and just never do. So shame on me for that, wasting all this potato. But that's up to you. So again, we're just going to get these all scooped out, and then we are going to put these in the fryer. This is what's going to give your potatoes that crisp crunchiness. So I used to butter the backs of the potatoes and like put them under the broiler for a little bit, but my aunt actually suggested that I try frying them because it makes them much more crispy, and boy was she right. I'm so grateful that she told me to do that. So you just want to fry them until they're golden brown, And then once they are, you just want to drain them off and lay them on a paper towel to soak up some of that excess oil. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button so that YouTube can suggest this video to others who may want to make authentic potato skins. Once you take the potato skins out, just hit them with a little bit of salt. You can add pepper too if you'd like. If there's any other seasonings that you want to add, you can do so at this time. So now we're gonna cut up some bacon that I have fried. Of course, you can use like bacon bits or something if you want to, but fresh is better. So I fried some bacon and I'm just getting that all chopped up. Now that we've got everything done, we're gonna start to assemble the potato skins. So we're gonna start by putting in some sharp cheddar cheese. And of course, you can use any kind of cheese that you like. You can use multiple different types of cheese if you want. But I think the sharp cheddar is best, and I think that's the most traditional for potato skins. Once you've added your cheese and bacon, you can sprinkle the tops with a little bit of parsley flakes just to give it a nice presentation. And then we're just gonna put these in the oven long enough to melt the cheese. And of course, I'm gonna remove that paper towel. And here's the finished product, guys. Look at how awesome they turned out. And of course, no game day meal is complete without what? Wings. So these are some lemon pepper wings that I made to pair with my game day meal. If you have not checked out this video on these lemon pepper wings, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box so you can put both meals together and have an awesome game day dinner. This meal combination is very popular, and I'm sure you see it most times on all of your favorite menus. So now you see how easy it is to make it yourself and keep a few more dollars in your pocket. So I'm gonna put some sour cream on my potato skins, but I'm gonna do that off camera so you're not judging me. But yeah, it turned out so delicious, guys. So if your mouth is watering, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can see more of my recipes. And of course, don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new videos.